pace to it. You gotta turn it like me. Hey friends, welcome back in today's video. If you watched my other videos about carrying these panels, and this is the reason why I carry them here, to replace one of the damaged wall on the side of the walls here. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see all the way up there, this panel is damaged. And I ordered the same length and everything, so it's gonna make it easy. I don't have to cut it or whatever, but I do have to cut it for the outlet. So how am I gonna do that? I'm gonna put this panel on top of the old panel on top of this. I'm gonna trace everything. I'm going to even punch out the holes, pre-holes, so when I drill, it's gonna hit the same spots where it's already pre-drilled. But that's the way I'm gonna do it. Take this old panel, I'm gonna put on top of this, trace the outlet, punch the holes, because it makes it a lot easier when you pre-punch the holes for the steel to drill it. You got it? So I'm gonna pre-drill this here so I can cut it. Here I'm gonna use a wood back here so it won't damage it. But I'll probably start here, right here in the side. So I did trim that here. Took off about a quarter inch, a little more than a quarter inch. You can see the pre-hole punches I did. So this panel is pretty much ready to go up on that wall. Today's video, we're gonna show you how they put these panels on. 20-foot panel, they're linear white panels, 28 gauge. It's already pre-drilled and everything. As I shown you guys earlier in the video. So we're just gonna drop this on. We made this little platform. We're gonna drop on to kind of help it hold in place. And then we're just gonna bolt it on. Just one, a couple bolts so we can hold it in place, and then we'll go from there. Okay, enjoy. Thanks. Ready? Okay, got it? Okay. You gotta turn it like me. There it goes. Try to slide yours under the channel like me. I got half of it. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Okay.
Do you slide it?
Yeah. I'm gonna slide it, watch it. Okay.
Can I slide more?
I can't, you're hitting this side. Okay. Here, you come this side. You got screws over, a bunch of them over there. Okay, no, you gotta push this one hand because the channel's locked in place. The key is you gotta just get this channel right here, get the first piece underneath the first channel to lock in place. Once that's locked in place, it'll hold it. And then you start screwing it. We got on the side, since it's a corner piece, we got on the side where we gotta push and slide in there. But once we got on the channel, we slid it in there to kind of hold it in place. That's the key. A little difficult, but. So you see the key, we held it in place, the channel's holding it in place, makes it really easy. Now we just gotta slide to the left, okay? I'm sliding it. Is it letting you in? There it goes. Got it. Here it goes. So I'm putting these screws on here. But these channels actually comes in handy that one is they're there to help you install, so it holds it in place. And then two is for water evaporation. So that, you know, there's water condensation, it has a way to escape the walls. So it's got two benefits to it. Okay, I need to get a couple more and then you can release it. Okay, you can let go of it. Thank you. We got it, yes. Awesome. So friends, we got it done. You can see it doesn't match. You're always gonna have that problem. You have a little bit wired, but over time, hopefully it will fade like the other colors, all the panels colors. But it looks newer, nicer. As you can see, it was a little struggle. It's our first time actually doing these panels. But key tip I can give you guys is to connect, line up the channels. Once you line up in there, you just kind of really just slide it down. So get at least, you know, I think next time we do it, we'll probably just line up half of the channels and just kind of slide it down. I think that would probably been a lot easier. And once you get in the channel, the hard part is that corner. Make sure that you you line it up in there, or I think maybe next time we'll try to do the corner first. But it's learning as you go, right? But I'm giving you some tips here. But I think either start on the left. If you start on the left, it might be a little bit easier, or you start on the right and line it up halfway and just slide the panels in. Because those channels will lock in place. You don't have to keep holding it. Because they're 20, 30 pounds a piece, pretty heavy. And then you gotta have at least two people. Unless you have some kind of platform set up where it lines up. You might be able to do it by yourself. And guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, tune in for more DIYs videos in the future. As I can, you know, learn more stuff, I will share with you guys, you friends. Bye now. Yours can go underneath here. You see that, man? Just lift it up, okay? Once you lock this in place, yeah, it should hold a little bit, okay? So lift this up, lock in place. Can't, you can hit in this side. Here, you come this side. You got screws over, a bunch of them over there. Okay, no, you gotta push this one hand because the channel's locked in place. There it goes. There you go. Okay, lock in place. You go over it. Here, you come back over here now. Can you? No, don't bend it too much, babe. Come back here. You come back here and hold this. Hold like this. Okay, you got it?